Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today I want to show you how to connect your GoPro and your Android device. So it's very simple. Basically, you have to download the GoPro app at the App Store, and then once you have it there, you have this screen. You have to accept a couple things, and then when you click the camera on the bottom left, it says connect to GoPro. So you go to your GoPro, turn it on the button here, which we will, and now we have this screen basically ready to start shooting. But if we want to start connecting it, we have to unlock. So tap to unlock. We go to preference, we swipe down, preferences, connections, wireless connections, connect device, GoPro app. And now when we're there, install the GoPro app in your phone to finish edit. So basically we hit that. Let's say we give enable that, allow all the time. And now it's searching for the camera, as you can see. And this shouldn't take too long. It's connecting through Bluetooth. There you see, we found your GoPro. Now you got connect. Connection successful on your camera. And then you can name it whatever you want, but you can have it like, you know, Jenny's GoPro or Mike's GoPro, and that would be it. Or we can leave it as it was. So that's how you do it. Once you do whatever you want, then you're good to go, and your camera's connected, and you can control your camera no problem from your phone. So that's how you connect your camera to the GoPro. I hope that helped you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.